The most important piece of camera equipment that I have bought was also the worst. It was a budget camera monitor. So today we're going to be checking out a new camera monitor from Viltrox. Big thanks to Viltrox for sending me out the DC-X2 6-inch camera monitor. So my last camera monitor was a budget one and it felt really cheap. It was made out of plastic and it had the worst camera mount. It wasn't a touchscreen, so it was really hard to navigate the menus, but it did work, so I just kind of stuck with it and made do with it. In the box, you get a really nice carrying case, and you guys know I like my carrying cases. You get the monitor itself, the pop-up sun hood. Now I got the monitor cage with mine, but I'm pretty sure you can order one without it, because it can add more weight to your rig, but it is nice to have more mounting options if you do need them. You get the camera mount, various cables, and a really nice MPF battery that can show its battery life on the back and able to be charged by USB-C and regular wall mount. It was also really nice of them to add a screen protector for the monitor. The sun hood can also double as a screen protector. If you're interested in the Viltrox DC-X2 or any other tech I've checked out or tech I use, everything will be linked in the description down below. To start off, you get 4 programmable buttons that you can set to your most used settings. I have mine set to zebras, the LUTs I'm currently using, focused peaking, and thirds. HDMI in and out, as well as headphone out if you want to monitor your audio. A couple mounting options for 1/4-20 threads with locking pins. 3 ways of powering the monitor. You have standard MPF batteries, a DC as well as a USB-C plug, a standard USB to plug in thumb drives to install more LUTs. I'm going to be completely honest, I don't even know what half of these settings do, like false colors and histograms. I'm just a simple guy, I don't do any of this professionally, I just want my videos to look good. Since the DC-X2 is a touchscreen, it's super easy to navigate through all the menus. There's a bunch of video image settings like contrast, saturation, but again, I'm pretty simple, so I don't really mess around with those a lot. If you swipe up and down on the left side, you can change the volume if you are monitoring your audio. And if you swipe up and down on the right side, you can change the backlit brightness. If you rotate or flip the monitor, the screen orientation will switch automatically. Overall, I think the DC-X2 is a really good camera monitor, and it cost about $240. Now that's kind of in between the budget prices and the really expensive monitors. I'd suggest picking one up if you want to take your filmmaking a little more serious, and in my opinion, it does look a little more professional than some of the budget monitors. Thanks again for watching, I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you consider subscribing and liking the video.